Travel gang, we're in Tulum, obviously on the bikes. We're on our way to the beach. Let's see how we get on. Everyone likes riding here. We've got Irene at the back, riding tranquilo. Travel gang, aka Grime Riders, here we are. So the bikes cost about 200 Mexican pesos each, so it's about £10 each. The viewers back at home, we had to leave a 500 peso deposit as well. I think that's about £25 or something. Gracias. And it's for 24 hours, but we only need the bike for about up until later tonight, because we're leaving early tomorrow to Bacala. 6-hour bus ride to the border of Mexico and Belize. So yeah, today we're just gonna explore streets of Tulum on bikes. Check out these bike lanes though, they're so super nice. There's loads of nice places as well, restaurants and bars that we're passing. That looks like a hotel. Aldea Zama. Recto va? Straight. Okay, so I think we're just going straight. Apologies guys if the quality is not that good. Man's riding with one hand. You get me? Grime riding. Oops. Sorry. You know. We're just riding nice and slowly guys. Like I said, we're off to the beach. It's about I think it's about 5 kilometers or something like that. We were going to walk, but it takes about an hour, which is long, and it's hot as well. It's almost 30 degrees. So bikes are the best way to get around in Tulum. How are you there, babe? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? Okay. So yeah, bikes are definitely recommended. There's loads of people which ride hold on, let's cross this road. There's loads of people which use scooters as well, quad bikes. I think bikes are better, feel more free. I think it's more safe too, you know. Yeah, we've just got some water in here. Got beach towel. We've got my favourite Cheetos, flaming hot. Can't wait to have those. Yeah, we're just taking it easy guys, no rush. We've got all day riding. And these bikes got no brakes. You've got to pedal backwards to brake. Similar to the bikes down in Amsterdam. All up. Yeah, no drama guys, it's all good. Got to get used to riding on the right hand side. In England we ride on the left. Oh my god, a bit twitchy there. What's this, a park? There's loads of investment opportunities around Tulum, I've noticed. It's becoming like the next Cancun, if not already. Yes people, more riding, less talking. I want to come back to you guys as soon as we get more closer to where we're going, closer to the beach. Travel gang, not signing out just yet, so keep watching the video. I'll see you in a sec. I think this is the entrance to the public beach. Alright guys, so we've parked the bikes up. Wasn't a bad ride. How long did that take? About 20 minutes, babe? About 20 minutes from the centro of Tulum. Now, wow. Ready for it guys? You ready? Check out the beach. Here we are. Only the first thing I noticed already is, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, the sargassum, aka the seaweed. There's a lot more here compared to Cancun, right? Nice seaweed. Look at it. If you've not seen the other video, guys, check it out. Well, amigos, we just left that beach. Didn't really like it, to be honest. So yeah, we're just off to explore some other beaches in the Tulum area. Let's see what we find. Shit, there's a driver behind me. He's thinking, what the fuck's he doing? Tourist with the camera in his hand, one hand. Where else are you going to cycle like this? Right, I'm going to put the camera away. It's getting dangerous. These roads are quite dodgy. Look at them. There's sand there as well, so you've got to be careful. Yeah, guys, we're just at a little viewpoint. Our bikes are parked over there. And yeah, just come up those little rock patch here. Caribbean Sea. Not bad. Been a bit hungry, not really had breakfast. Almost lunchtime. On to the next spot. Alright guys, we just left that beach. Another public one. It was okay. Not too impressed. Only because of the sargassum seaweed. And so yeah, now we're off to another location. Let's see what we can find. Vamos! Okay, just had a quick stop. Just got a drink. Michelob Ultra, mango duranzo, mango and I forgot what it's called. It's nice. Get into the Go-Mart. Got a nice bike. Look at that. Three-wheeler. Gram Rider. Yeah, we're just having a break, quick drink guys, and we're going to carry on to the next place. Getting hungry. See you in a bit. Well guys, man's dying. I don't know how many kilometers or miles we've done, but quite a lot. So we're at this beach club. It's called Akin Beach Club. Come from over there. And yeah, we're just chilling now. Ordered some food, ordered some quesadillas. I'm drinking mojito. Similar to gin and tonic. Yeah, beach is good, nice white sands, but there is a lot of seaweed though. It's the only unfortunate thing. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Spent quite a bit of time at that beach bar. Ooh, must have been there for about a good 2 hours and a bit. It was nice, but the food was pricey. The cocktails, we had 2 cocktails, a couple of dishes, quesadillas and a fish bowl, and it cost like crazy. It was like £75 travel gang. And I don't think the tips were necessary, but they kind of insisted that we tip them, so left like 250 Mexican peso tip, which is about, it's like crazy, like maybe £10 tip or something like that. But anyway, was it worth it? Yeah, it was worth it. We need to rest. We were there for quite some time. Well, we've been out since early, so it was worth it. We needed to rest on that beach bed. Did I like the beach? Not really. I think the sargassum, aka the seaweed, is spoiling A lot of the places, a lot of the beaches here wasn't that busy. Maybe because it's Sunday, no idea. But it is what it is, my people. Travel gang. We're leaving the hotel Zona, or the Zona de Hotelera in Tulum, and we're cycling back to the hotel where we're staying in downtown Tulum, or the Centro Tulum. It's a lot cheaper there. Yeah, I mean, is it worth staying here? I don't really know. We're looking at hotels previously and it's cost like crazy, like £300–400 a night. So it really, and we paid like £90 or $80 for 2 nights in the city, the downtown. So that was all good. Seems like a lot more people are coming out now. Seemed a lot quieter earlier. It was super hot, so I guess that was probably the reason. Look at it, guys. This is the Tulum Zona de Hotelera, all the zones, or the hotel zone. Aperol Spritz they got here. Yeah, it's quite fancy. It's quite boutique-y. Everything is boutique here. Boutique hotels, boutique shops. Amigo, there's Beetle here. That's cool. Yes, travel gang. It is a lot cooler now. It was dying earlier, I swear. But anyways, guys, well, I was gonna end the video, but hold on, it's getting a bit busy here. I just want to show you guys. Got like street food kind of bar areas. The hookah bar. Parking here. Mamba hookah bar, or Mambo. Probably get busy later, I can imagine. Hola, amigo. Bad decisions make better stories. Tulum Tantra Bohemian Luxury Beach Club. Yeah, I wasn't a big fan of the beach, guys. It's a bit of a shame. Seaweeds, but it is what it is, eh? What can we do? But anyways, travel gang, peace in the Middle East. Catch you in the next video, and by the way, make sure you subscribe, like, comment as well. The next adventure tomorrow, we're leaving nice and early on a bus to Bacalar, which is a border town on the border of Mexico and Belize. Then after that, we're going to Belize. If you've been following me, you probably know what the plans are. If not, make sure you subscribe. There's a lot of people be watching the YouTube videos, but I can see on the statistics that a lot of you people are not subscribers. 90% of people watching Travel Gang channel, they are not subscribers, so make sure you do subscribe. We've got some adventures coming up. Bacalar, I don't think a lot of people have been there. They call it the Maldives of Mexico, so that's gonna be pretty sick. Anyway, guys, peace in the Middle East. Catch you soon. Ciao, amigos.